Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to the time you are watching my video right now. In today's video I want to share you one of my tools that I use in editing that I think it actually compulsory or necessary, if I may say. This is 3000 fonts for PixelLab. You know, I use my PixelLab to edit a lot of things, flyer, banner and everything like that. So within this time I'll be sharing some of my files, like all my POP file will be out, and some of my birthday flyers and everything. I'll be sharing it for you guys. So if you are new to my YouTube channel and you come across this video and you know you are so interested in editing and graphics, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and let's grow up a family. Like this video, like is totally free. Subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out on my next content, because it will be very hot cake. The next content will be something about POP file or about the driver's license. I'm very sure. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. All you have to do is just to download this app from Play Store. This app called Z Archiver. As you can see, if you just go to your Play Store, my Play Store, just go to your Play Store and search for Z Archiver and download it. Can you see? Just open. Okay, so you will download this file in the description box, in the description below. The link that will be available for it will take you to my Telegram group. It will be in the pinned chat. Just click on the link, it will take you directly to the file. Okay, so here is it, my font. Can you see? Once you download it from the link, all you have to do is just to tap on it, then click on extract. Click on extract. As you can see, click on extract. So once you click on extract, for you using PixelLab, you should know this is our PixelLab here. This is PixelLab. As you can see, this is PixelLab. So for you to import your fonts in your PixelLab, you don't need to click on this PixelLab. Do you understand me? What you have to find is, can you see, make sure you have this is 0 on your profile before you can extract anything. Okay, now you find fonts. If I don't mistake, this is font. So this is all you have to do. This is our PixelLab, but you won't go inside this PixelLab to extract the font inside. All you have to find is this font. So once you find this font, you have to just click on it. Once you click on it and you click on this button right here, there's a button right here. If you can see this blue one, can you see? Once you click on it, because I already have all the fonts, I only zip it all to share it to you guys. You understand? In this font I have check fonts. Every font is there. Every font is there. So that's it. Then I don't need to extract it again. If I have to extract it, I just say apply to all files, then replace. Do you understand? So I don't need to do that. All I have to do is just to cancel. So that's all you need to do to extract fonts to your folder. So in case you need some special fonts, like all these check fonts, all these special fonts, I can pick them out so that you guys can know the name, and I'll be dropping it by tutorial. That will be like almost 1 minute, 2 minutes tutorial. It won't be long at all because it's just one font. Do you understand? So that will be all for today. We are just here to share the fonts. So thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Meet next tutorial again with another hotkey. Bye.